I'll be doing a market research project here with our client is Red Dragon. So, aid to that, I'm conducting a focus group. I would like to start by a question. Okay, so the first question is that what is the usual purpose of visiting a restaurant? Why do you guys usually visit a restaurant?
All of you just discuss among yourselves.
Yeah, I want you to discuss amongst yourselves about your purpose for visiting restaurants.
I mean, a restaurant in
Restaurant
general.
Okay, I generally come out for eating non-veg. We don't get non-vegetarian food in our campus. The primary reason I come out.
And how about you guys?
No, spend some time with quality people. We work for setting in college, so if we can spend some time here, it is good.
Okay, so how many people usually accompany you? Do you guys come in a group or do
Okay,
you
so
come
in terms of
individually?
numbers, we usually come in a group of say 5 or 6. So that's how it is.
Same with you too.
Yeah.
Okay, so how frequently do you go out in a week?
No, this is in respect to a general restaurant or
No,
it is
no,
in
no.
Respect to Red Dragon.
No, general restaurants.
General.
Generally, how frequently do you guys go out in a week? Once
Once in a week. Yeah.
Which are the places in Indore that you
Red Dragon, obviously. Mashal, TI, Crush Railway.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, there's
Depends on the people that you're going with, I guess. Like, if you're going out with some girl or something, you want to take this is not the location to.
Okay, so do you think you would come to Red Dragon for good food?
yeah.
So you
To some
guys like the
extent.
food here?
The food is good over here, but we can booze also here, so that is one reason why we come here.
Even you guys should speak up. We want everyone to engage.
One thing I would like to tell you about Red Dragon is that this is the first thing when you search online, this is from nearby to I am Indore. So it's give you the first impression that you must visit this place. That's why we came over here.
Okay, but generally, where else do you guys like to go?
No, we are very new to Indore. We just came yesterday over here.
Okay.
So first thing we like to visit. We saw
Okay,
it.
so
Okay, in
what is
general-
it?
Again, as a first impression, this is a really cool place to unwind oneself, particularly with. This is not a place to be all by yourself, but in a group of friends, this is a kind of a cool place. It's very
There was
convenient.
another restaurant nearby, but it's closed as of now. That was a place that we we used to go last year.
It is 500 per person, not more than that. The average would be 500 per person.
Per
So-
head, right?
Is
Go ahead.
it according to occasions, like say for instance, even then it's restricted to 500 per person, or would you?
No, I mean if I am throwing a party, it depends on the person who's throwing a party. So, and also the restaurant itself changes when you throw a party. So it depends on the number of people who booze. So so if that number is, if that is a majority, then probably this is a good place
If it is
to.
10 people, we can call them out to Mashal or something like that. If it is 5 or 6, ask them to come. If you're just coming for a casual outing, maybe a dinner or a meal with a couple of friends, maybe 3-4. So I think 500 per head is a decent amount of a budget you should look forward to. But if you want to come here for a party or something even more gala than that, so I think
So, what are the major features in terms of design elements and ambience do you look in, particularly in restaurants? Do you look for?
being a natural outdoor kind of environment, I think it's perfect. But yes, one could take measures to make it look more clean and more
So, do
aesthetic.
you like the ambience of Red Dragon?
Yes.
You are
Only-
particular to Red Dragon
No,
or so general? In
For
general-
restaurants in general?
In general, if I am going outside, I will look for the food, for the place I want to visit. I will search for
Yeah,
that
I mean,
thing.
regardless of the quality of food, apart from that, what else do you do?
So for us, it is like we usually come here to booze. So when it's something like that, apart from food, what we expect is cleanliness, and the second thing is if the place is
This outdoor setup is also fine.
Okay, so is location, the fact that it is convenient from Indore, does that come into-
Obviously, it takes only 15 to 20 minutes to come here. It is also an added benefit.
Would you prefer sitting inside or do you like the open environment?
Open space is better.
no, by
right?
from what you could have seen now, you should have
Yeah.
No,
guessed it. Like even in this kind of an
That depends on the individual, right? Some people like to goes outside. Some people like that.
we like to
So if
stay.
you were going with a family, what are the sort of restaurants you would go with? Would you go to a restaurant like Red Dragon?
No, not. I mean,
Because there is a family area here.
I'll
If
take
you-
them to Mashal or
Sayaji.
or something like that.
So what are the particular features of Mashal and Sayaji that
The other family participants. I mean, the
Ambience
atmosphere
is also good over there. I mean,
and also the
better.
quality of food is far better than what it is here.
so quality of food is outstanding. And does the fact that
Yeah, to some extent it influences my decision, wherein I don't expect quarrel here that is happening when I bring my family here.
Why would you prefer coming to this place over other places? Like,
For this particular place, it's the convenience.
It's very nearby, right, to campus.
It's the
Dragon,
location that
Yeah.
which it attracts.
It's
Nothing
like
else.
you have a couple of hours. You need the best place nearby.
so which type of what type of food do you like eating here? Like what type of food do you like
I
in
don't think they serve
There's some
Mexican
Mexican
food.
food, yes.
Yeah.
But they are not like, yeah, when you are having some drinks or some service,
No,
they
not
have non-veg.
not particularly. Which type of cuisines do you like?
Indian.
Indian and Chinese.
This is the second day we are visiting.
so what is your opinion about this place?
This place is conveniently located. If you see the place where the campus is located, this is a decent enough place for somebody to come along with a group of friends.
So when you open a menu,
Although there is a lot of room for improvement, they can improve a lot, and particularly with cleanliness. They can improve on the ambience. The preparation is good. The staff is also very friendly. But they can improve on the aesthetics. Pricing is also okay. It's not on very on the higher side. Maybe for students it may be a bit expensive, but otherwise it's okay.
So if you guys would want some sort of a promotional offer or something, what would you expect from them?
I mean, you're asking on the type of menu that I want a promotional
No,
discount on.
discounts on prices or something. What are sort of offers that you would?
I don't think they give discounts for IM and those students.
No, what would you prefer in case they want to?
No, are you asking on what type of discounts they should offer, or on
Yeah.
what menu? I mean, what meal they
Both.
should? Okay, probably they could start a loyalty program for IM indoor students exclusively. That is one thing that they can do.
Yeah. And happy hours. Happy hours
Yeah,
sort of
they can do
thing.
I just saw you have a radio taxi service here operating in Indore. So they could, in a way, tie up with the taxi operator. You hire the taxi and you get a discount here, or you come here and you get a discount on the taxi. It's a workable option.
so every time you guys come here, do you order drinks?
We don't order drinks here.
Yeah, no, I mean,
We get it from the nearby shop
Yeah.
and we have it over here.
So how much do you consume every?
I mean, I don't think that is relevant to Red Dragon. So, anyways, it doesn't affect them. And
People come here is because you can get drinks at MRP and the service tax is not added. So you don't get it
I mean,
without markup. So which is why it's a
Every time it will be 2 beer bottles.
but and you should also know that there is some markup there also. I mean, it's not that they give it for an MRP.
yeah, but then it's much cheaper than Mashal.
Yeah,
much cheaper.
That is obviously there, but because they serve it there and we get it from there.
So after how much time interval do you order each dish? Like do you keep on ordering continuously?
I mean, like twice or thrice that we offer. The number of times if you count, and also it depends on the number of time. I mean, the time we spend here.
Yeah, yeah.
Also the number of people, right?
Per person.
Per person.
Per person, as
Per
we said,
person
it's
is
like
500,
around
yeah, 500
500, 600.
Okay, so maximum discount you have been offered in a restaurant in the total bill amount. In a restaurant.
See, discounts come during happy hours. Since I'm from Chennai, I've been to a lot of restaurants which have happy hours, 50% discount.
In Indore, what about Indore?
Indore, we had this restaurant called 26 Hills. They used to have a happy hours again, 10 to 15% discount.
Red Dragon. What are the major things that you would like to improve here?
First thing is the ambience. You have to make it more attractive.
So do
staff.
you think there are some safety and security concerns that might be?
Yeah. The first thing is the look, right? When you look at that place, you have to feel that a girl can get inside. And the staff, maybe,
Okay, for me, I think probably the cleanliness could be improved a bit.
It can be more clean.
That
is one thing that they can
I mean, I would work on if I'm.
Quality of food is fine. I mean, comes to ambience, it's fine.
And I
Cleanliness
feel-
is one thing which they
I
can
feel
improve.
that just keeping the only family vote is sufficient. If you want actually to target the other type of family customers, you need to give a separate partition, but where the ambience is much more instead of having a common place.
Okay, so would you ever refer this restaurant to anyone?
Sure.
yeah, sure.
If people wants to have fun, and convenience, so
No, not because of its attributes as such, but because of because of the lack of competitors that it's lack of competitors. That is the if there is another guy who has opened up nearby who is pretty good at all these things
then people
which
are
this guy can
Yeah, yes.
offer, then obviously
Right,
I would refer the other guy.
And any particular new thing in the restaurant that you would like to introduce?
Any?
Any particular
new thing in the restaurant that you would like to introduce in terms of the cuisine?
No, that's what a particular promotional discount exclusively for IIM Indo students. I mean, as far as I see it, their major chunk of customers are from IIM Indo. So probably if they could, if they could retain the customers, that's what I see. Since they don't have any big competitor here, that's why they are not doing it. Probably if if I was the manager, I would have worked on it.
The quality of food is fine here, but if they can bring in some South Indian food items, it will be good. As of now, it is only North Indian and Chinese. If they can bring in some South Indian food, it will be good.
Thank you so much.